Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be drawing a resilient scene of soldiers practicing combat. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use a 4 or a 3 size drawing paper to be pencil for drawing and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, which is the comic book focusing on Indian soldiers published by Raj Comics, this series is dedicated to the stories of the recipients of India's highest military decoration, awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's capture the hardcore training session. Let us first start with the first character who is attacking the second character. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Now next we will draw the second character who is being attacked by the first character. Character is being thrown and is behind the first character, so visualize which parts will be hidden, which will be showing. Next we have a soldier overlooking the training like a referee, so let's draw him at a distance from our soldiers. He is pointing at the players, so make sure to draw on hand in air towards the players. Remember, as their soldiers, so they will be fit, so draw their bodies likewise. Now we have a fourth character who is observing and spectating the training. Let's draw him sitting to the left of the soldiers' training. As he is at a distance, so draw him proportionally. Now let's begin with details for our characters, like the expression and their costume. It makes it easier if you define what your character is doing, so it makes it easier to draw details. For example, here we have soldiers training combat, so they will have an aggressive expression and their hair. Now let us define our sketch more by drawing in the background. Always remember, as the object or subject goes far in the background, they will appear smaller size, so imply that in all your sketches, draw the background a little less detailed to bring more attention to our action. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our players. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a hardcore training session of soldiers scene. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The comic book focusing on Indian soldiers is Paramveer Chakra, published by Raj Comics. This series is dedicated to the stories of the recipients of the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military decoration, awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.